Hi guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews and I have a new subscription. This is called TASU, and it is a wellness self-care box. It says your mindful package has arrived. So this one is, I think it's like 28 something a month, plus shipping, which was like $7.99 I want to say. I should have just like brought my computer out here so I could tell you the exact details. Anyway, they do have shipping, but they also have an option for local pickup in Edmonton. I don't even know where that is. Maybe Canada? Is that where this is from? I think this is Canadian. Oh yeah, totally Canadian. Okay, so anyway, if you live anywhere near Edmonton, you could just pick it up. Ooh, cute little sparkle polka dot paper in here. TASU Wellness Box, Spring Box. This box features 5 items for spring self-care and wellness. We have included an all-natural face cleanser, good enough for any skin type, turmeric herbal tea, so you can make your own golden milk and turmeric lattes, plus a beautiful bracelet and essential oil blend to go with it. Also included a linen spray for fresh spring feel to carry along with you. Okay, and then it has all of the stuff and the prices on the back. So we have the Myrtle Face Cleansing Oil. That looks interesting. The linen spray. I want to spray that. I want to see what it smells like. Smells good. I like it. It's a little bit sweet, but fresh and floral. I like that. That smells good. Here is our essential oil blend, Morning Dew. That smells good. It's definitely got some sort of like eucalyptus or something in it, that menthol something. All right, here's the Golden Glow Blend Herbal Tea. Wow, that looks like a fun blend, doesn't it? I actually do use, I make myself turmeric tea all the time. And then this cute little bracelet. Very cute. With the beads and the little tassel. I love it. It goes nicely next to my octopus. So these are fun. So these are all like handmade products by TASU, the company. So you're not going to get other brands in here. It's just going to be their stuff, which I think is kind of neat and unique. I am very curious and excited to try these products. What a great box. Okay, interesting. So I will leave all of the information in the description box with links and everything so you guys can check it out. So thank you, TASU, for sending this to me. I am excited about this box. All right, well, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.